asked what could he do for me. I told him that my love is free. Can you match me? I can do it all for myself. Want you but really don't need help. So can you match me? I like luxury. I like fancy things. Shine on my body. Live like royalty. Treat you like a king. If I trust, but you must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just anybody. For lives I've lived. Thumbs up. Come get with yours and what's real. Boot up. Blissful in each other's skin above. Finally risen.
SNT.
Gang.
Welcome back.
Gang.
Yes.
Yeah, welcome back. We last saw you all when we're going to fit the tires. Our new shoes. As you know, we have been looking for them.
Yeah, so for so long.
I think you've seen on our videos the one when we were going to Auto Style first.
Yeah, and then
in Durban.
Yeah, and then Tiger Wheels.
Tiger Wheels as well.
Yes.
We're looking for a premium tire because the reason we are looking for a premium tire is because we take a lot of road trips.
We travel a lot.
A tire is our life, basically.
Yeah.
So we do a lot of traveling.
We want something that is premium.
Yes. But it's a low cost. You know, you're trying to create that balance. Premium, it's a low cost.
Yeah.
So, but finally we found one. It's called a radial tire.
Yes, a Dimax Sport.
It's a Dimax Sport.
Yes.
So that's the one we fitted on the other day when we going to speed it.
Beautiful.
It is beautiful.
Yeah.
It is so beautiful. It drives like beautifully, and it's beautiful, and it will like outshine your rim.
Yeah.
Mind you, that we've gone used to, so we don't mind it anymore. It's gonna really outshine your rim.
Yeah,
have you ever had a tire outshining your rim? It's the way how beautiful it is. Yeah. So. And the grip on the road, since we've been driving around, I think
and testing it,
it grips like it got close.
Yeah.
On the corners.
Yeah.
I think you'll even think that your driving skills have improved.
Yeah. And what I love about it, the sound. It doesn't make sound on the freeways. On those freeways that make the tire make you sound when you're inside the car. I love about it. It's so quiet.
Yeah.
And it's also EV. So it's compatible for electric cars.
Yes.
If you have electric cars, you sorted.
It is compatible for electric car.
Yeah.
You know, electric cars, they are heavy.
Yeah.
So they need a really quality premium tire.
Exactly.
So this tire, it is compatible.
Yeah, for electric cars.
EV cars.
Yes.
Yeah, guys. The reason I'm stopping because we need to show you this tire. We cannot not show you this tire, and you will see how it outshines our rim. And
that's what we're dealing with all along.
Let's just show it to you guys.
Let's go show them.
Let's go show it. Oh, I'm holding.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right. All right.
What makes it to be a premium
a tire to be a premium tire?
Yeah.
Okay, first.
Let's find out. The name.
The name Rada. Rada is a premium brand.
Yes.
It's been around, it's known. That name also, it's the first thing that you need to look, because all the other things that I'm going to show you, a tire might have all those things, but the name,
Rada
distinguish.
Dimax Sport.
Yeah, this is a Rada Dimax Sport.
Yes.
And the tire that we fitted, it's a 225. 225 means it's from this end to the other end, that side. And 45. 45 means it's from here to here.
Okay, from the rim to the top of the tire.
From the rim to the top of the tire. This number means that Z means that it used to be used back in the days where it determined that it's a sport tire, as you've seen, that it's a Dimax Sport.
Yes.
So yeah, that used to determine that it's a sport tire. And R means it's a radial design. 17 means it's a 17-inch tire. Means that the rim is 17, this tire would fit a 17-inch tire. That's what the 17 means. 94, it means the weight. The weight this tire can handle. Yeah. Each tire is rated at 94. 94, I think kg, if I'm not mistaken. Correct me below. And the Y means that this this tire was tested at speed of 300,
yes.
of up to 300.
Yes.
Yes, it means I don't know what you're gonna be doing at 300, but it
South
just gives you that comfort that it was tested
Yeah.
at speed of 300. That's what the Y means.
Yeah.
And this tire was designed in Italy,
Yeah.
as you can see.
Yeah.
The tire was designed in Italy. And another thing that you need to look out for when you're looking for a premium tire, it's the tread wear.
Tread wear.
This tire has a tread wear of 320. And the traction, very important in wet condition. That is very important. Traction A, it needs to be nothing less than A. And the temperature also needs to be nothing less than A.
Yeah.
Those are the things that are very important on the tire. Not only that, and you have mentioned that this tire fits a EV car.
Yes.
That's there as proof that this tire it also can be used on the EV car. It's compatible. EV compatible.
Yeah.
Okay. And another important thing that you need to look out for on a tire.
I think we're gonna look at it.
At the one at the back.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
There.
It's the DOT. The DOT means that this tire was roadworthy approved. The DOT that you need to look out for. Roadworthy approved. And the 0077RH, this is a serial number of the tire.
Of the tire.
Yes, this is a serial number of the tire. In case there's any callbacks, that's the number that they will quote.
Yeah.
If there are any callbacks of these tires. And 4124, vital important. You need to look out for this number. What this number means is that this tire was made on the 41st week of 2024. So, because the tire has a lifespan.
Yeah.
Yeah. And the load, as I've mentioned, that we use that 94, but
the maximum.
There is a maximum load, 670.
Yeah.
Yeah,
so not more than that.
Yeah, but
even on the towing, when you're towing,
yeah,
so you must be aware of those what's load of tires.
These numbers.
Yeah, and but we also have the special thing about this tire that it's a vital important because it's important to rotate your tires.
Yeah.
It's very important to rotate the tires.
Yeah.
But we have a feature that is there.
Must we go show that feature?
Yeah, we must
go show the feature. So we'll talk about something that we are showing. I hope it just appears. Is it there?
Yeah, I can see it. Yeah, it's there, but it's below. It's fine. You can see it.
Can you see it?
Yeah, it's there.
Oh yeah, that feature. That feature right there.
It's very important.
It's a unique feature. We've never seen it before on a tire.
I don't know if you can see it. It's dark.
I think we just
like this.
Give it some light.
Yeah.
That feature there. That's a tread wear of a tire. That feature. We will, because I think it starts from 8mm.
Yes,
the first
up to
stroke,
the second,
second stroke, up to that. That's 8mm. I think that's 2. I'm not too sure.
Yeah, it's 2. You can see it when it's on 2.
Something that will explain that feature that's there. But we recommend once it reaches there,
you rotate your
tires.
Yeah.
Yeah, because because it's important that you rotate your tires.
It's a tire maintenance.
Yeah, like any other car.
Any other car.
The car needs the maintenance, oil change. The maintenance for a tire is to rotate it. Yeah.
So it's important.
It's important that you rotate your tire.
So guys, we are happy with the tires, and then go check it out also if you wanna check it out.
Yeah, so I think we need to do a thorough test, a road trip.
A
road trip to our place. If you know
our
our place. Comment down below
which
place
one.
we're talking about. Yeah, when we say we need to test it to our place.
Yes,
and take it to the speeds of 120 because we are regulated at that speed.
Yeah, around here we were doing 60, 30, 40, you know, they are locally. Yeah.
But we are happy with the time. But if you have any questions,
put it in the comment below.
Yep.
Yeah. Alright.
Okay, we'll engage more on the comment below.
Yeah, and make another video.
We don't know.
We don't know. It's up to you.
We'll see on the comment.
Yeah. Alright.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Yeah.